Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. To change Instagram story from close friends to everyone, first of all, tap open Instagram application in your device. Then go to your story on your top left. As you can see, the Instagram story has been shared to close friends. If you want to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone, you don't actually have the option to change sharing settings from close friend to everyone. So you just have to delete it and repost it again. Tap on more and then tap on delete. Confirm delete. Now you have to create the story again. Tap on the plus icon on your story. Select the media you want to post on your story. Then simply tap on your story. And with this, you will successfully be able to share your Instagram story to everyone. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.